What's up, ladies and dickheads? How are y'all doing today on this fine, chill, cloudy day? I know you're probably telling yourself, didn't you just get a Civic Si? How come you're not driving that? Yes, I did. This may be a surprise to some of you, but most of you it probably won't be. This car is far more fun to drive than a Civic Si. And I hope my audio levels are good. I just realized like my audio was peaking at the beginning of that. But I was thinking of going to Horton CHEAH, the cliffside hangar, but I feel like that's all I go to up here. I forgot what driving a car with an exhaust was like, because that Civic's all stock. I ain't gonna lie, I actually did buy an exhaust for it. I bought a Yonaka Catback, and it was one of the only exhausts I saw next to like the NVIDIA one that wasn't all raspy. It was just like a more of a deep hummy exhaust. That's what I was looking for, and had a more stock profiled muffler on it. See, I don't want one of those like big old that shit that looks like a Monster Energy can hanging off of it. You know what I mean? I don't like all that shit. So we are filming in 1440p today, but not sure if it's really going to do much justice because it's kind of a foggy marine layer filled day here. I can't lie, driving that Civic for a while really shows me how much I love like not only this car but like rear wheel drive and all that. This car is just something special, man. Having that Civic really proved that to me. Man, one thing about that Civic though, man, the brakes on that thing are so touchy that like you can easily slam your fucking face into your wheel if you hit them. If you just press them just a tad too hard. The brakes on that car are phenomenal, I can't lie. And I forgot how good this exhaust sounds. Right lane closed ahead. Oh shit. We'll be stuck behind this dick. Not on this date, maybe. Oh shit, the sun's starting to shine. Nice. So what's your guys' favorite car between the two so far that I have? The Miata or the Si? Now from a driver perspective, and I can't even lie, just from a unique factor, Miata all day for me. The driving experience on this car is like next to none. But once the Civic, all I really plan to do on the Civic is some nice rims. I feel like those stock rims just don't really look good on that thing. I want to do some like nice little like 5-spoke rims on her, and like some nice black ones I think would look really good. And maybe lower it just like an inch or two, nothing stupid low, but that and an intake and an exhaust. And I heard there's this thing called Hondata, and it eliminates. There's one thing I really kind of dislike about that car is the rev hang that it has. There's like this rev hang, like when you clutch it hangs. See how this one kind of just drops? That one has like this rev hang, and if you guys driven those cars, you guys know what I'm talking about. I really don't like that too much. But I heard there's a Hondata flash tuner that takes care of that. But the shit's also $700 fucking dollars, so I don't know how long it'll be until I get something like that. But that is also something down the line, just to kind of make her feel good. I heard it really spruces up the engine a lot. But once we get her all hoity-toity, we'll definitely take the Civic up this mountain and test her out. I'm so conflicted on what to do with the steering wheel. So I had that cover that was stitched, And I ain't gonna lie, I gave up on that shit. I sat there for an hour just trying to tuck and line it all up, and it was absolutely horrid. It was so annoying. All those little angles on that little 3-spoke was just too fucking much. So I went ahead and returned that. I found one OEM steering wheel on eBay, and it was like 300 bucks. So I'm kind of conflicted on if I should just get like one of those, like how this car is, just get a hub and just get a nice aftermarket wheel, or just try to get another OEM one. Well, man, I think it's been like 3 months since we even had a car video on this channel, so thought it'd be fun to bring the little Miata back. I would like to go top down, but I had no one to help me take my hard top off. Now hard top's so big once you have it off the car that I don't really got the garage space to leave it off, so I kind of just leave it on every time I come home from a ride whenever we have it off, essentially. When I'm not rocking the foreskin top. I was like coming up here like I ain't gonna go to Horton CHEAH again, and I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. Their chips and salsa so far. I'll try to just get something normal this time, like a burrito. I'm always getting some massive plate of food that I can't eat. Last time I was there, I got huevos rancheros, and that shit was all kinds. The one thing I don't like about Horton CHEAH is the rice really doesn't taste too good. The rice is a little off. I like this little section of road. This car just fucking go-karts through this like nothing. Jeez, look how fucking misty it is. Oh shit, am I in the clouds again? It's another cloud video, look at Oh shit. Smells like Mother Nature right here. Now we can hit the road like it's supposed to be hit. I feel like this car was built around this road. Like it just hugs the damn road like nothing, like no one's business. What a beautiful section, and no one's on it. Just that one guy. That's rare. It's rare when I get to actually hit this section like this. And then we're back behind the Pattersons. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, okay, it's not that packed. Any front door parking? All right, boys, time for a little lunch break here at Horton CHEAH, and I'll see you guys when I finish filling my cock holster. CHEAH! Alright, so that was a bomb-ass fucking breakfast. I say bomb. Let me understate that a little bit. It was good because I was so hungry, but there's something about this place. Like, it's good food, don't get me wrong. And if you're like an uncultured white person that's never had like real Mexican food, which I'm not trying to say like that's not Mexican food, but I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of this guy really rushed over. Yeah, those fucking tacos were literally 90% fucking like cabbage and sour cream or whatever the fuck it was, and literally like fucking like 10% fish. I need to get some water at fucking 7-Eleven here. So I had to get some water because my stupid fucking asshole forgot my my thermos. Now for some lakeside chooch fun. God damn, the sky's clear up here. All that shit burned off, it looks like. We're gonna have some nice little lakeside action going on. What the fuck are you doing on the opposite lanes of the traffic? Damn, only one car at my chooch spot? Yeah, boy. All right, ladies and gentle tips. I will meet you back after my beautiful chooch break. Yeah.
A few moments later.
All right, ladies and dickheads. The the lake was really chill. I love it out here. I need to get that damn serpentine built. I think it is changed on here. I haven't looked up the process of that, but is it pretty hard? Damn, it's fucking nice out. It's like optimal weather right now. Ooh, look at all this sand. It's that shit that makes Miata spin out. I've always wanted to get some flyby sound clips of this car. I don't know what this shit sounds like. We got road work. So remember last time how the GoPro angle was a little higher? Today I have it like where I would essentially think it's too low, but I bet you it's like just right. Where you can finally see like dash and windshield ahead of us. When the sun's shining on everything just right, it looks like paradise out here. I like when there's like snow on the fucking mountains and on the sides. It looks, I think that's a little bit more beautiful. And then you get that little like refrigerated queef air hitting you in the face. Oh, it's just perfect. I'd rather be cold than hot any day. What's your guys' opinions on the Civic? Should I just get like a used OEM wheel if I can find one and just swap it out? I looked up a video of it. There's like just 2 Torx bolts and shit. I've never even driven a stock Miata, let alone one with a stock wheel. So all my knowledge of this car is this big ass 14.5-inch rim. I measured this rim too, because I bought a little adapter, and ironically NRG makes it for my Thrustmaster, and you can like, you know, put aftermarket wheels on your sim rig, and I wanted one this size. Oh hell no. Ain't no one being stuck behind no semi-truck. Damn, it's like Wednesday and this place is pretty fucking packed. They get some business there. It's the view. We on that 7% grade, cuz. There ain't even any view ropes. That little marine layer still in the sky. Ooh, what the fuck is that in the road? Oh, it's like a piece of branch. It's literally like a video game driving this car on these roads. Like actually. It's like the feeling of being on a roller coaster and you're just like glued to the rails. It's like it's like you can see the cloud right here, but it's not even cold, it's kind of warm. Oh shit, look how killer that looks. Holy fuck, that looks badass. Ooh, it's like I hit a little chill spot right here. Probably that cloud. Clouds are just God's queefs that haven't dissipated yet. They're literally undissipated God queefs. I much rather would be ripping this through the roads like this than that Civic. I can't lie. I think it's just how low this thing is to the ground, and just like something about this car that just gives you this. Man, it's just such a good driving experience. I can't ever see this car ever getting old. It's one of those things, you know, once you have it, you realize, holy shit, no wonder these are so popular, kind of deal. Oh, damn, it's like we're going down. I was above the clouds over there. Now look at it. It's back to this gloomy shit. What the hell? It's getting cooler as we're going down. What the fuck? You know what sucks that I don't see anymore? And I was in high school in the early 2000s, and all it was 90s cars, like 90s Japanese, you know, Integras. Remember the old school Celica, like the GTSs and shit? And I remember those GTSs when that new body style came out. That shit looked so fucking dope back then. And you really don't see those anymore, man. I can't even recall the year where I just stopped seeing them. It's like it slowly started happening. I miss all those cars. I just miss seeing them driving around. This would literally be like a fucking killer mountain road for just a bunch of racers to rip up and down in together. Now it's just Stubies, Lexuses, like everything that looks the same. I feel like cars don't have that steez anymore. That uniqueness about them. The reason why they're all still popular today, you know what I mean? But I'll definitely hold on to my cars as long as I can. This car is so smooth that you can't even feel the engine just humming at 5K. This motor is just ridiculously smooth. Better watch out for this Mustang. Let's try to get a little supercharger whine. I have a really quiet supercharger because she's not boosted hard. Fuck that Prius doing up there, clapping cheeks. There's a fucking bra in the road. What the fuck? Somebody like literally taking their titty out mid-drive. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the little breakfast run here into Lake Gregory. It's about that time we're back in San Bernardino. Bid you guys adieu. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I'll try to get a video of the Civic. Give you guys some fucking 8K RPM VTEC action for you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. As always, all links will be down below if you want to chill with me on Twitch every night. Fucking support me any way, shape, or form. Get one of my shirts, keychains, stickers, etc. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the out of that like button. You guys have a real good day. I'll see you guys later. CHEAH!